Chairman Mao. Mao gang. Mao gang. Woo! Today we're going to go see the Whitney Museum. There's like an Andy Warhol exhibit. Should be really cool. Andy Warhol's famous for that tomato soup can. I'm with Nicole right now, who's looking so hot.
Gang gang.
Whole lot of gang gang. I'll see you guys at the Whitney Museum. Bye bye.
Whole lot of gang gang. Whole lot of gang gang. Gangin'.
Okay, bye bye again. We're now outside of the Whitney Museum. It looks pretty cool. It's got all these glass things. New York, motherfucker! And here's Nicole, looking so sexy.
Ciao.
Whole gang gang. We're waiting in line right now to get tickets to go see the Andy Warhol ting ting. Here's the Andy Warhol store. You see some like tomato soup, skateboards. You see this gold book with his face on it. Tickets! Oh my god, he was so shy. The whole gang gang, we bought our tickets. I got a discount because I'm a student. I'm a studious little student. It's a whole gang gang. Nicole's like really excited. She's just not showing it. Look at these stairways. We're like walking around this little light installation. It's pretty sick. It's really good vlog lighting. Gang gang. It's Chairman. Me and my bro. Chairman Mao. Mao gang. Mao gang. In this Mao gang vlog. Mao gang. Chairman Mao. It's the chairman of China. Hey, whoa. Look at this camel print. Thumbnail. Here we have the famous Andy Warhol. Soup gang. Soup gang. Hey. Nicole's attempting to do the dance steps. Oh my god, that's the Coca-Cola. Ooh. Coco. Cocaina. Coca-Cola. Very nice. Look, it's Coke. Nicole. It's definitely Nicole. We got Elvis. I don't even know what you call. Oh. I'm amongst a wall of criminals. Hey, gang gang. Oh my god. That's a huge mouth. Huge mouth. Look at all these little mouths. Little mouth. Big mouth. So sick. Are you a Mao fan? Look at these TVs. Wonder who that guy is. Yo, you know what that looks like? Nicole? Yeah, no, not that. That.
What this looks like?
Yeah, you know what those look like?
What?
Those look like if you have like anger issues, they ask you to look at these things and like they're like, what do you see? You know? Alright, so what do you see, Nicole, when you look at this art? Birds and butterflies. Serial killer. You've just been profiled. A non-serial killer would say, I just use paint on a canvas. Oh, look at this. This is all Mona Lisas. Look at all these little Monas. Little Monas. Yo, do you think Mona Lisa moaned when she smashed? Oh my god, it's so creepy. Mona Lisa does not moan while smashing. I'm about to show you guys the Camo Last Supper. Oh, so sick. So sick. What the heck? I love this Worhol museum. So educational. Spiritual.
Have you read anything?
No. I'm a visual kind of guy. Oh my god. Wait, watch this. Watch this zoom. Wait. Nipples! Anyways. I'm mature as fuck. Taking a break. We're outside of the museum. Oh, let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. This is New York right now. The weather today is so beautiful. And oh my god, Nicole, we were up there.
We did.
We were like literally up there. It's so pretty. You know what else is pretty? Nicole. Let's go. Whole lot of gang, 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 gang. Always with my gang. Oh my god. Then I almost got decapitated. Okay, so we just finished watching the Andy Warhol exhibition. What do you think about it?
It's pretty good.
Are you inspired to go out and draw some tomato ketchup shit? Not really. Yeah, me neither. Let's go. Like and subscribe. See you guys soon. Whole lot of gang gang. Fuck yeah. Drop a comment. Love you guys. Whole lot of gang gang. I'll see you guys soon. I don't know what I'm vlogging next, but we're gonna go check out my Airbnb right now. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah. Bye bye.